No, so maghahabol tayo yung mga backlogs natin, ng mga gifts natin, ng mga kaibigan natin, as well as yung mga pieces na na-acquire natin. No? So first is from Big Boy Cheng. Si Boss Biggs has given us this cute figure. This is the privileged and entitled Bubble Butt Cheng. No? So this is a collaboration between Big Boy Cheng and yung friend natin, Winnie P. and Vincent. Diba? It's the male version of the Bubble Butt Girl, no? Na andun siya, diba? Ayan. Also, this is our second figure. Kasi ito, nakuha natin or na-acquire natin during Toycon ba to, pre? Nakuha natin to Toycon. And ang maganda dito sa bagong figure na to, it's LE30 lang, no? And it features the new brand of Boss Biggs, which is Privileged and Entitled. So, Boss Biggs, maraming salamat. Isasama natin to sa collection. So, dalawa na sila, no? Next is something added to our bicycle playing cards collection. Ito, medyo mahirap to hanapin. Admittedly, this came from a friend. Ayan. So, these two decks ay from Korea. It's licensed. And it's Squid Games. Yung official licensed bicycle deck of the Netflix hit. It's ito Squid Game. So two versions siya. I'm not sure kung pareho ba yung deck sa loob, pero it features the deck in a tin can, no? So this is number 3 ba to? Season 3 yata to eh. And then here is the deck. 'Di ba? Season 3. So meron siya kasamang tin can, and you also have this sticker here which says Squid Game. Wow. I think Korea exclusive to kasi makukuha mo lang siya in a physical pop-up store. So, dun mo lang siya mabibili. So, medyo mahirap talaga siyang hanapin. And it's not readily available online, no? So, this one is the other version. Yung graphic niya from the... Ito, kailan ba lumabas yung lalaki? Season 3 rin, no? Oh, it's the same deck. So, different tin can lang pala siya. Pareho ba? Oh, it's the same. It's the exact same deck. Season 3, di ba? Ayan. So, I won't be opening this kasi ito definitely sa collection ko na to. Kasi admittedly, mahirap talaga siyang makuha. And I'm not sure if I'll be able to stock this for you. Pero one thing's for sure, ang hirap niyang kunin. So for now, collection na lang muna to and hindi tayo makakapag-open, no? Last is some of the art pieces we acquired from Yok. Si Yok is the artist behind the garden na sari-sari. Tapos meron rin tayong artwork dito sa likod. Yan. So dadagdagan natin yung mga Yok pieces natin kasi napakaganda. Natutuwa talaga ako sa artwork niya. And here it is. It's actually, hindi ko alam kung porcelain to, pre. Mabigat siya eh. It's a flower vase. Ayan. Ganda, no? Ayan. So, this is, I think this is handmade by Yok. Tapos, pinaint rin niya. Galing, no? Parang kahit ano kayang gawin ni Yok, oh. So, may sticker na kasama. And it's actually a vase, kaya meron siyang butas sa ilalim. Para yung tubig na excess, no? Diyan lalabas, no? Ganda. And ito pala yung signature ni Yok, no? And ito yung harap. Tapos, ang balita ko, I've seen dun sa description, LE80 lang. Kasi it's actually used during sa wedding nila. Parang isa sa yata sa table pieces nila or naka-display, something like that. So, maganda rin, diba? Siyempre, kumuha na rin tayo kasi maganda. And mura lang yan nabenta, no? So, we actually acquired 2 pieces. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko dito, pero i-display rin natin, pre. Hindi ko alam kung anong lalagay natin. So, we have 2 pieces here. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda tong display. So, additional display from Yok. So, ito yung mga na-acquire namin. Ewan ko kung meron pa ba tayo. Hanap tayo later on kung may bubuksan pa tayo. So, I hope you enjoyed. And yun lang.